Alright, it's officially cherry blossom season. So where I'm at is this spot. I think it's 0.8 kilometers away from where is it? Around Kyoto Station, I think. So yeah, let's go take a look at the cherry blossoms here. So up ahead, this spot, there's a row of cherry blossom. It's really beautiful in conjunction with the river. So yeah. Alright, I've come a little bit north. I think I was about right here, I think. Somewhere around there. And now I'm at 0.9 kilometers away. It's like the northern part of Kyoto, I feel, or Kamo River, so the cherry blossoms are a little bit different here, so it should be interesting. So it looks like these cherry blossoms are blooming. I forgot what these are called. I don't know what the name of this one is. I don't think it's like a weeping one, but I think it's close to that. Weeping cherry blossom. It's a lot pinker than the ones before. So yeah, beautiful. So yeah, I guess these blossoms haven't bloomed yet. So if you think that you're a little bit late to come to Kyoto, I think these should be blooming in a couple days. Maybe a week, I don't know. They look like they're still like they're hardly like a flower yet, so yeah. Take your chances and come here on a later date, I guess. Yeah, there's a lot of people. Alright, I have no idea why, but these cherry blossoms here are not blooming at all. Could tell the cherry blossoms on that side are blooming. But I guess it's because these are different types of cherry blossom trees. I think these are more of like the weeping willowish, like the weeping cherry blossom trees. So yeah, I'm gonna try to keep walking up ahead. There's one spot I would recommend going if you wanted to see like a beautiful row of cherry blossom trees. Not sure if it's blooming yet, but it should be interesting. Alright, I've arrived to the spot that I would recommend going to if you want to see cherry blossoms. Let me just show you a map. So right here. Oh, it's not showing. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to post like a link. But yeah, this spot is where I would recommend uh, going to if you want to see cherry blossom. Let me just see. But yeah, it's quite north. When you look at the map, let's see if I can show you it. Oh my god, I have so many bookmarks. Yeah, it's not showing. It's pretty north. So from Kyoto Station, it's approximately 33 minutes by car, 1 hour 45 minutes by walking. So yeah, this spot has a bunch of cherry blossoms, and there's actually a walkway if you go up a little bit north that has a great view of the cherry blossoms. I can show you it. So you have to be careful of this runway though, because there's a lot of cars that go through. This is the highly recommended Cherry Blossom Road. Let's just go this car, but yeah. So you can kind of tell it's like it's quite a small road, but there's a lot of cherry blossoms on both sides. Now, this is my most recommended Cherry Blossom Road in Kyoto. If you have time, definitely come here. It is worth the time. So yeah, you can have a lot of picnics on the river, I guess, bankside. With a lot of space, so. I feel like this is like the golden time for these cherry blossoms. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. A whole stretch of cherry blossoms. Look at this. Just cherry blossoms to myself. There's no one here. Because everyone just stops at like the where is it, the closest to the Kyoto station, and then they don't walk up ahead. But yeah, look at this, all these cherry blossoms blooming at the same time next to this riverbed. Absolutely beautiful. Probably should have said it, but the start of the cherry blossoms here, next to Kamo River, start at the base of Kamigamo Shrine, which is to the left of me. So yeah, if you take the bus to Kamigamo Shrine, you'll be able to find this row of cherry blossoms over here. So if you're ever lost.